Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna look at the new JBL Tune 760 NC. So it is the upgraded version of the JBL 750. So far it's look really nice. It does have a similar look to the older JBL headphone. Before we're gonna look at the spec for the headphone, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave the comments below. 85% of you guys, you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, so please subscribe to the channel. It will help me a lot. £120. It's come in two colors. You have a black and a blue. So I bought the black one. It does come with a noise cancellation, so really good. If you have a Google phone, it's quite fast to connect. You have an active noise cancellation, supported by Bluetooth 5.0, 50 hours of charge, pure bass, active noise cancellation. You have a built-in microphones. You can connect multiple devices together. Quite lightweight. It does come with the audio jack, USB-C for charging. Again, the headphone is foldable. 5 minutes of charge. You have 2 hours of playtime. With the ANC on, you have 35 hours of playtime. With the ANC off, you have 50 hours of playtime. There's a lot of good features they offer on the new headphones. I really like. Quick starter guide. So it's not much. It's just how to connect, use the headphone pretty much, and a simple. You have a step key instruction as well as a warranty. One book. You have 3.5 to 2.5 audio jack, USB-C to USB-A charging. Is have the same look and the feel of the 750. It still have the same feel and the build quality of the 750. 750, that is going to be the older 750, and there's the new 650. Pretty much exactly the same size. When you come to the ear cups, exactly the same ear cups. There is not even a slight difference on the ear cup. They are exactly the same ear cups. The build quality exactly the same. They feel the same, they look the same, but it's slightly cheaper than the 750. Again, you can adjust the headbands. You can fold the headphones. You have the power button, active noise cancellation button. You have the audio jack intake, pause and play, and the volume rockers on the both sides. Other side, you don't have any buttons on the other side. They just kept everything in one side. There's a lot of people ask why exactly there is a gaps in the top. They are the air vent. So if you're wearing for long hours, your ears able to breathe. Otherwise, you will have a very sweaty ears. So that's why you have a hole in the headphone. So on the right hand, you have the USB-C intake. So now we're going to try the audio. I know you got problems, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for a throttle, you just want bottle day. Tell me joy west side, I be trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems, everybody starving, don't you go off today. Don't you go off there. Catch it, put it in a jar to have and to hold. To save for later, you cannot trust it to come again. To wait for you to find a pen and fill the paper with the message that it wants to send. Grab it, hold it by its tail before it escapes. You know its ways and you cannot lose it, that's what you feel. So hold it, catch it, put it in a jar to have and to hold. To save for later, you cannot trust it to come again. To wait for you to find a pen and fill the paper with the message that it wants to send. Grab it, hold it by its tail before it escapes. You know its ways and you cannot lose it, that's what you feel. So hold it up against your ear and very carefully listen to what I'm from New York City, Detroit blood, you can call me a tiger. I'm a proud, I'm rapping, yeah. East Coast love, I'ma reach higher. East Coast, yeah. I don't want another gentleman, no. I want the one who's been hustling, yo. Young boys are a little rude. I like East
Eastern European upper avenue. My thighs on New York chick, Detroit blood, you can call me a tiger. I'm on the prowl, I'm ravening. East Coast love, I'ma reach higher. East Coast, yeah. I don't want another gentleman, no. I want the one who's been hustling, yo. Young boys are a little rude. I like Eastern European upper avenue. You said it was the last time that you lied for the last time, 'cause I'm gone for real this time. You said it was the last time that you lied for the last time, 'cause I'm gone for real this time. All the good vibes running through my mind. Nothing can stop me, I'm on a high. All the good vibes running through my mind. All the good vibes running through my mind. Positive feeling is on rewind. All the good vibes running through my mind. Baby, I feel it. So stop me now, yeah. Baby, I feel it. Baby, I feel it. All the good vibes running through my mind. Nothing can stop me, I'm on a high. All the good vibes running through my mind. All the good vibes running through my mind. Positive feeling is on rewind. All the good vibes running through my mind. Baby, I feel it. So stop me now, yeah. Baby, I feel it. Baby, I feel it.
So I tried the audio with 50% as well as 100% volume just to see how the audio is. We tried the noise cancellation on and off. Audio sounds really good. So far, no delays, no distortion with the audio. If you're watching a YouTube video or if you're listening to a normal song, audio sounds clear. There is no distortion or no delays. Also, I noticed it does have a slightly better bass compared to the JBL 750. It's a very natural bass, but it's quite good bass. Audio is really amazing. I really enjoy the audio in full volume as well as the 50% volume. I really like the headphone. Noise cancellation, yeah, I do think they can improve on the noise cancellation. It's not the best. Again, it is 120 pounds. You can't expect like the best noise cancellation. Definitely better than the noise isolation, but I do feel they need to do a little more work on the noise cancellation. Other than that, I really like the feel of the headphone. It feels really nice. Very soft ear cups. I was wearing it. It's quite comfortable on the ears. You have two built-in mics. You can answer a phone call. It's quite clear. Regardless, indoors, outdoors, audio is very clear on the microphones, so you can answer the phone calls. If you're looking for a headphone for £100, I highly recommend going for the JBL 650 NC. Audio sounds amazing. No delays, no distortion. I really enjoy the audio and I really enjoy the feel of the headphone. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like the video, leave the comments below. What do you think about the new headphone? If you have any question, let me know and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.